guys. This is insane. I'm watching a live stream right now of a guy who's just driving around New Orleans during this snow. Is insane. Look at this snow, guys. So I just wanted to show some of what's really happened here. This is insane for New Orleans to see this kind of snow, guys. Wow. Sitting here eating, playing a little tournament, but wow, I'm chilling at the house. I did not go out in this. I am not going out in that. Just wanted to show a little bit, but this is French Quarter. He's going down Canal right now. He just left out of the French Quarter. Wow, this is Burgundy, as you see.
Get through there.
But anyways,
no,
just wanted to show a little bit of why,
doesn't look like
I was saying about that snowstorm. They were real. They was actually
got some serious
accurate.
road work going on here.
7 to 8 inches of snow. Insane, guys. Riv.
Nola Grind, grinding all the time, grinding all the time. Nola Grind, grinding all the time, grinding all the time. Let's start our day, work out, no doubt, grinding in and out. I have to admit it, get the call, grab the bags, let's get it.
What's going on, guys? This is Friday, January 24th. Wow. And we are back at it again. All right, guys, we're out here and, we're literally coming out for our first time in since Monday? We've been snowed out in New Orleans, guys. I just can't believe it. I think I recorded a little video of me reacting to a storm chaser that came here and was riding through the snow and stuff around here. And I probably think I'm going to put that in the first part of this video, so you'll see that. Then we'll jump into this. I do have one order that I'm going to pick up, drop off. Yesterday, I must have delivered that call me like 3 different times yesterday about orders, and it wasn't safe enough for me to come out. The roads were still icy. Now the roads are good. It melted away. It's 49 degrees now. We do still have some snow, in certain parts on the side of the roads here, and some of the back road areas. But other than that, it looks like it's been completely melted away, which is insane, actually, to think how quickly. Well, I can't. No, it's been 4 days of just being in the house, which has been fine for me. All I've been doing is just playing a lot of poker. But 3-4 days of just being in the house. DoorDash, Uber Eats, all that was shut down after a while. You just couldn't do any of that. So what you had at the house is what you had at the house. You know what I mean? Make sure you're prepared. But anyways, let's go ahead. We're heading into Salad Station right here. One of my favorite pickups. The drop off is pretty close by it. So we're just going to run in, grab it, and drop it off. And that's going to do it for this video. It's not a wonderful order. I just wanted to come out, shoot a little something because, haven't shot any videos in a while. Going to be quite a bit early now that I'm looking at it. I could have went by the car wash. I actually think I am going to go by the car wash if I can. I'm turning in the wrong spot anyway. It's fine. I think I'm going to run by the car. I look like I'm going to be arriving quite a bit early. I don't know why I left so soon. I don't know why I left so soon. I really don't. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this first one picked up, dropped off, and get today started and end it off with a bang. Go Bills. Let's get it.
Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man. That's lessons on lessons on lessons.
All right, guys, we're here. Gonna just grab one of these bags and put like the miscellaneous stuff, and probably in boxes like normal. Let's see, we will be open from 11. Hey. Yeah. Awesome. here. Alright guys, we use 2 bags. Here we got the ice and stuff, but all good. Let's grab this other bag and separate it out with the drinks and ice, and then the miscellaneous in these boxes here. All right, see you guys on the drop off. All right guys, we are here. It is you know, one of the ones you park in this parking garage here. The heavy one, drinks and ice. These instructions aren't good at all. I've been to this building several times, but there's 2 of these buildings, and I hope I picked the right one, because I probably should have called. Probably should have called to make sure which one I picked is the right one. This is the normal one. It doesn't mean it's the one this time. But let's get up to the 18th floor.
Swear I cannot do no wrong. Why I don't have much to say? All that talking on the phone, but you never making plays. Playing phone tag, you're it. Pick up more bags, too legit. Swear I cannot do no wrong. Why I don't have much to say? All that talking on the phone, but you never making plays. Playing phone tag, you're it. Pick up more bags, too legit. I love when the money come. I get bored, I'm thumbing some. Blues and pinks, I'm running on. In my lane, no one-on-one. Fake love, I'm allergic to. Real love, yeah, I need me some. Call my bae and book a trip. Bring the kids, let's run it up. She like us some Louis V. I like me some Louis too. Mix it with the double G. Having fun, that's what we do. Fresh out in Montego Bay. I'm acting unruly too. This is me, unusual.
Alright guys, drinks. Leave the ice in here. Alright guys, as you saw, that was like 55 bucks. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Timing, 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 all about timing.